Hello everyone, I'm Valerie. This is Beevies, and today I'm gonna be baking cookies. So I got all this stuff. I got some flour. I almost said butter. Okay, this is the actual butter with a fork. Sugar, and this to knead it in a bowl. So I already got a cup inside that I put in before starting. So just a clear cup. So we're just gonna put some butter in it. I mean flour. I don't know why I keep on saying butter. I don't know how much cookies I'm gonna make. I might not make a lot, so okay, I'll just pour this whole thing. So 1 cup, but this is a big cup. So if it was a tiny, like a medium-sized cup, like a normal-sized cup, probably be maybe 1.5 cups. Actually, yeah, maybe 1.5 cups. But here it is. That's what it looks like. That's how much I got in. Okay, I might add more later on though. I'm gonna add some butter now. I cannot believe it's butter. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna add sort of a lot. This is frozen butter, not melted butter. I'm gonna add melted butter at the end. But that's a lot, okay? So now I'm just gonna place that in. I'm making sugar cookies, not flakes. I'm making sugar cookies, and I need a spoon. I'm just gonna get like a tiny spoon. Sugar cookies. Oh my gosh, this is so hard to hold. Oh wait, I forgot. There's a spoon in here. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 and a half. Wait, and a half. So I put 4.5 normal spoon sized amounts of sugar. So now I'm just gonna use this to like knead it, kind of, just like sort of mix it. But like I'm not gonna mix it like that because that ain't gonna do nothing. Okay, I think I need more butter though. Yeah, I think I need more butter. Where did my fork? I like to use the end part of the fork because, or like a fork or spoon. I don't know, I just don't like using the top part. But anyways, I added more butter. You can literally make this with me. Sugar cookies are so easy to make. Okay, this is going to take a long time, so I'm just gonna like quickly show you when I'm done. Okay, so after